Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today will be bag haul part 2. So many of you asked about how I preserve my bags after seeing the haul part 1. So I have a solution for that as well. So I'll show you that first and then we'll move on to the bag collection. So I got these covers from Amazon. I'll put the link. I don't remember if they have a particular brand name. So this is the large size which can even fit a big tote. They have small and medium sizes as well, and you can buy a mix of these also. So I find these very good because storing is very easy. So I'll put the link in the description box. You can check that out. Now let me start with the bag collection. Okay, starting with my favorite bag, which is like a cult favorite for so many years right now. It is the Luminous bag. The most famous brand of this bag is Unique in India, but I find them a little overpriced. So this is from this brand called Celesta Milano. It's available on Amazon. So this is their neither sling nor tote sized bag, and it's like a silicone based material, and under light this is the color, but this is not the original color. The original color is like a purplish black, which is quite nice. You can carry it every day, and it has a nice quality zipper. There is attachment sling which you can remove and use it just like a wrist bag, and you can change the shape of the bag also. Inside that you have a zipper compartment and other compartments also. So it's a very flexible bag, and it has quite a lot of base space also, so you can fill it up nicely. And I think I love this bag so much. The quality is really nice. I have been wanting to have such a bag for a very long time, and I think this looks really stylish. It's very convenient to use also. The second is a nice office kind of bag, and it is by the brand United Colors of Benetton. So what I like the most is this braided pattern which you can see on the front. I think it's quite stylish that way, and the color is also really pretty. It has this it's not pink, it's not lilac, it's a mix. It's a very pretty color, no doubt, and it has an attachment sling also, so you can use it like a shoulder bag, or you can use it just like a handbag. It has a zipper compartment on the back side, and it has the United Colors of Benetton tag also. It's a very stylish bag. The quality is really nice, very sturdy, and if you touch it you will know that the quality is really nice. I think I'll carry it when I'm traveling or something, because it can like take a lot of products inside, and because I can use it like a shoulder bag also, it becomes very convenient. The zipper quality, the inside material that is branded, all of that adds to the charm of this bag really, and the size is also really nice. So this is one bag that I will definitely recommend. The quality is really nice, and it's obviously a branded one. So the next bag is by the brand Modern Myth. I already showed another bag from Modern Myth in my last video. It was this blue one. I hope you remember. So many of you like that one. So this has this very nice cutwork pattern. So what I like about this brand is, first of all, it's completely Indian. It is vegan leather, and they have so many very pretty designs, you know, quite contemporary, I must agree. So this is a nice military army kind of green, and it can be a handbag or it can be a sling bag also. At the back side there is a zipper compartment. As you open it, the volume that it can contain is also really good. I like the size of the bag actually. It's not too small like a sling, yet it is not too big. Something that you can easily carry for a party just as a handbag, or you can carry it like a sling when you're going out. And also the cutwork pattern, the color, everything is good. The build quality is solid. The zipper is really good quality. Although I had some issues with their shipping and things like that, it's resolved now, and the quality is something that I felt I must tell you about. This is really nice, and this is a brand that I will definitely recommend you guys checking out. They have so many very pretty designs. The last bag I have here, it's a classic. It is by Caprice, and it is like a very wide tote. What I like is it has black metal attachments for the shoulder area, and the zip, everything is in black metal. Even the logo is in black metal. The quilted design is really nice. It's a nice deep maroon color, which will definitely go with so many outfits and so many outfit styles also. It has an outer compartment, and the inner compartment is also, it has branded lining, which is really nice, and there is separation. It's like an office bag. You can actually put in your maybe a lunchbox, water bottle, umbrella. It can hold a lot of products. Just that you have to be a little bit careful about the shoulder attachment, that's all, because it's like metal. I wanted to get this bag because I find it very pretty because of the quilted pattern, the color and the size. It's good for shopping, or if you're someone who carries a lot of stuff even when you're just stepping out to buy eggs from the shop. Anyway, jokes apart, the quality is good. For now, the stitch quality and everything looks really fine, and I also like the size of this bag. So that is the last bag for today. I hope you guys liked all the bags that I showed you. Let me know which is your favorite. I cannot pick a favorite because these are all my favorites. That's why I got them. I believe I could show you some variety bags that you can also opt for, and also from some good brands like Caprice or United Colors of Benetton, and some Indian brands as well. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what are your thoughts on these bags. I would like to know. We will meet again with another video. Until then, take care. Bye.